Welcome back to Top Garage, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the much-awaited 2026 Tata Punch Techno Edition, Tata Motors' bold move to refresh its micro SUV lineup with futuristic design, advanced features, and smart tech upgrades. So, let's unpack what the Techno Edition brings to the table and whether it's worth the buzz. Design and styling upgrades. The 2026 Techno Edition of the Tata Punch doesn't just stick to cosmetic tweaks, it steps into a more premium and tech-inspired direction. The exterior now features a sleeker front grille with dark chrome inserts, sharper LED headlamps, and stylish dual-tone alloy wheels. The new Techno Blue paint option is exclusive to this edition, and the subtle Techno badging across the body hints at its special identity. The rear profile is now sportier with a new spoiler design and smoked-out LED tail lamps. The overall stance remains bold and compact, making it ideal for urban adventures while still turning heads on the road. Interior and technology. Step inside, and the Techno Edition welcomes you with a cabin that feels far more upscale than the standard Punch variants. The dashboard now features a soft-touch finish, ambient lighting strips, and a fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster. The central infotainment system has been upgraded to a new floating 10-inch touchscreen with Tata's latest IRA 2.0 connected car tech. Other additions include a wireless charger, ventilated front seats, a premium 6-speaker Harman audio system, and an air purifier, all standard in this edition. The integration of voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant support enhances the connected experience. Performance and safety. Under the hood, the 2026 Punch Techno Edition retains the familiar 1.2-liter Revitron petrol engine, now tuned slightly for smoother refinement and better fuel efficiency. It continues to offer both 5-speed manual and AMT transmission options. On the safety front, Tata has added ADAS Level 1 features including lane departure warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and emergency braking assist. Along with 6 airbags, ESP, and a 5-star global NCAP rating carried over from the previous models, the Punch Techno remains one of the safest in its class. Price and verdict. Tata has priced the Punch Techno Edition competitively, starting at 8.49 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, making it a value-packed choice in the compact SUV segment. With its stylish updates, tech-laden cabin, and robust safety features, the Techno Edition is a smart upgrade for buyers looking for flair and functionality. That's all for today from Top Garage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more auto updates. Stay tuned.